Christmas! Ho, ho, ho! Where's your sister?
Oh, she didn't sing at the table.
Allie! Come on in, come on. Santa was here. Come on.
Allie!
Come on.
Mommy, what?
Go ahead, Case.
Take a picture of this.
Come on, Allie. Would you go get her? I'm taking a picture.
Present from Daddy. Present from Dad.
What are you doing over at the desk? Get over here by the tree.
Okay.
Yep. Go ahead, open your presents. Allie, sit down. Open your presents, Al.
Oh, cool.
Woo!
Pooh Bear!
Pooh Bear.
Is it Pooh Bear? Oh, it looks like Pooh Bear.
No, that's from Teddy.
It's a Teddy's, huh?
Yeah, I guess Santa knows that I like my brown teddy so much he put teddies on
I
them.
guess so.
Ooh. What is she opening? I'm doing it too. Who comes? I bet it's Baby Bob.
You think so?
Oh yeah, because she's green, she's a dinosaur. Oh, I was right. Baby Bob. Baby Bob. Baby Bob. That's time for me to open presents.
What's that, Al? Baby Bop?
Mom, let me open my present.
Okay. Baby Bop.
Oh, cool, I see. Oh, cool. What is it? Let me see. Oh, cool.
Wow. You're sad, huh?
Baby Bop, very good.
Mom, Dad, look.
Oh, that's neat looking.
I asked for that for Christmas.
There you go. Come on, Allie. Sit.
We each get those.
Case, move in more so I can get both of yous. There we go.
See on
Huh?
it's closed. Let's see what happens.
Hey!
Woo!
New clothes! Look!
That's not interesting.
Short.
Okay.
Well, she even knows which one's her pile.
Cool, it's a tape of Winnie the Pooh.
Hey!
Oh, that's for you and Allie, yeah.
It's a white box. How cool.
Another white box.
Cool. Everybody's getting white boxes this year. Need help? Don't break it. Come here, look, Allie, look. Look. Must be anxious rather quickly, dear.
Oh, cool.
What'd you get?
What is it?
Oh, an accordion.
Look, Allie. Look. Look. Allie's toy. Allie's toy. do?
It swims, it dives and swims in the bathtub. We gotta put batteries in it. Al, it's better if you go over there so I can take your picture, hon. Al.
Hey, come here. Let me show you how you work it. Okay? Listen, you put your one hand in here. One hand through here. Okay, you see the button? And hold the button. It's a little tight. Why is it so tight? Okay, can you feel the buttons? Okay. Now the other one. Go in. Your thumb goes through here. Just your thumb. Okay. And I'll play these buttons now.
Pop-Up will teach you how to play that.
See, and then there's another little buttons too.
What'd you get, Al? Hey, Case. Did you get everything you wanted for Christmas? Hi, Allie. Allie. Hi. Let's see you play with the alien. Squeeze the alien. Okay, squeeze the alien. Let's see how it works. Squeeze the alien. Okay. She plays 2 instruments at once. How talented. Casey's learning how to take care of a baby, huh, Case? You getting ready for your baby sister or brother? Look, she's playing 2 instruments at once, Phil. Danny boy. We'll get better pictures of you later. Hi. We're going to see your sister Casey in a play. Yes. Hi, Danny. Hello. Bunk, 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 bunk. Hey, you. Danny's 2 months old. Oh, no. Battery already? Oh, well. This thing is not working, Danny boy. It is not working. Hey, you.